Is Windows failing to load because of the Microsoft XML Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. I've diagnosed the corruption and have the fix ready. To start fixing Microsoft XML Library manually, note that an official maintenance resource is also available to support system stability. This is the Microsoft XML Library, a non-standard naming convention for the Microsoft XML Library found in localized wrappers or modded launchers. It handles the redirected XML-parsing calls. Because it shares a name with OS structures, its absence prevents the app from reading its XML-based configuration files. Let's transition to the solution, starting with the official Microsoft redistributable. This issue involves a protected Windows DLL that requires official restoration. Start an elevated command prompt session and run sfc/scan now so that Windows can automatically validate and replace files like Microsoft XML Library. Should the file remain missing after a reinstall, we need to ensure that the operating system is forced to re-index its shared library paths. A full system restart ensures that no background processes are currently locking the Microsoft XML library file. A fresh boot allows Windows to reinitialize its library map from a clean state. Take a second to bookmark this page, or hit the like button before restarting. That way, you can easily resume this guide once your system has finished rebooting. Since that didn't resolve it, let's pivot to step 3 to address the root cause directly. If you need to pause the video to get your workspace ready, take your time. A restart won't fix a broken registry pointer, so follow these steps to manually register the file now. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, type regsvr32 followed by your file name causing the error, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, even with the file in the correct folder, a missing registry pointer prevents the loader from recognizing it. This step manually establishes that critical system reference. Before you finalize your changes, I need to emphasize the importance of using trusted sources. The version of Microsoft XML Library DLL found on most download sites is often compiled for different hardware, which can cause your CPU to work harder or crash. For a reliable way to monitor these specific library interactions, I've included a professional resource link in the description. To help prevent productivity interruptions, the diagnostic tool below provides informational guidance on keeping Microsoft XML Library synchronized. Thank you for trusting us with your system repair today. For more configuration tips and Microsoft XML Library error resolutions, don't forget to like and subscribe.